Right over here.
Where we all go.
No, we're going right next to it. It's Underwood Family Farms right here. Look at them, right over there. All the cars are.
Wow.
They have animals to look at. They have things. They have lots of veggies. We're gonna go check it all out. You looking forward to going to the farm? Yeah.
I'm not going to even get bones.
You're not what?
I'm not going to get sunburned. Look, I'm wearing sunscreen, right?
That's right, you're wearing sunscreen. But not on your head, so that's why we have your hat on.
Yeah.
It is a sunny day. So we came in here, and we're going to go down to number 1 and number 2. That way.
That way?
Yeah. I see
there's
some animals. Yeah, look right here.
You even go all the way up there.
Oh yeah, look at that. They can walk up.
Some did go. They have a yard of food in the lake.
Yeah, but they can walk up here.
Yeah, go away. Go even more.
Look at it, they go all the way over there if they want. That's really funny. Wow, so the goats can go all the way around.
Go up to that tiny house.
Oh, look at
And
that.
you can go into that house too.
Look at how far they can go, all around here. And look at, there are a lot more goats over here. Hi, goats. All right, go for it.
We can go stand there. Right there, right there.
Keep going. Keep going. Oh, almost to the top. And there it goes. There it fell. Oh, good job. Now you can go all the way down. There it goes.
Who can see them go up?
Yeah. Cool. Look at the baby goats. Hi. Yeah. Look at her. She's really soft. Feel her.
I remember before. Oh, baby goat.
Ooh, they have a big like farm tractor over there when you get through.
Let's see what the Dad, how are you going down? Not going down.
I'm gonna walk around. I'm pretty tall for it, but I'll meet you on the other side.
Go on that one. You keep going on the other side. Dad, you get the whole thing.
I see them. They're big, huh? And then this one's like a miniature horse.
Daddy, it's baby ducks. Dad, you get the baby ducks over there.
Yeah, they have a place you can feed baby ducks if you want.
Dad, who can I feed these?
Yeah. All right, goats, ready? There it goes.
See, Daddy?
You want to ride a tractor like that?
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo! Tractor! Did you like it? High five. All right, you want to feed the alpaca?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, alpaca. Look, he's like, I'm gonna go buy the food already. All right. All right, let's go get some food. He's eating. Yeah, that one over there is all laying out. Get the map here. I'm gonna pick some strawberries. You want me to hold it? You got it? So strawberries are all up here. We're here. So strawberries are like up there, I guess. Lots of strawberries. But then they have lettuce, cilantro, leeks, so much other stuff. All right, so let's go look. All right, you got some peas so far.
Dad, how do you close it?
Well, you know what? You close it by pressing those buttons in, but let's wait until we get some strawberries in. before we close it all the way. That's just a, like, that's like somebody had tape that they rolled up. It's not up fruit. But here's some more beans, or yeah, peas. Look at those. Cool. Yeah. Look at that. That's nice. English peas.
Ready?
Broccoli. Broccolini. So it says pick full red ripe strawberries. So you know, like the white, if it has white on the bottom, it's not going to continue, so don't do that. It says pinch the stem, and you want the little green leaf part on the top. Handle gently, and then wash your berries before eating, okay? Don't leave them in a hot car either. Okay, let's go look. Straight ahead. You say what? There's one right here, I think, that's really good. Let's see. Right in here. See that one? Look at that. So you pinch the top, carefully right there, and then pull it off there with the green part on.
It?
Yep, there you go. That's a pretty good one. Hold it up. Yeah, let's put it in here. Yum. Pretty good. A little, could be a little riper. That looks pretty good, that one. A little white on the outside. We need to find some more. Yeah, that's a good one.
That's good. That is good.
Yummy.
Good. That's really good.
Yeah, look at that. That's a really good one, I think.
Yeah, that's really big.
That was a good one. So many things to pick. So many things to pick. Okay, yeah, good place to step. There's space right here to put it, and then I'll close it and get the other one.
Yeah.
There you go. Ooh, one big one right here. All right, there, right in the back. Okay, good. I'm gonna close this one up. All right, I think that's good. What do you think? All right. Hey, high five on my hand. I can't. There you go. We only ended up with lots of strawberries and just a few peas. What's up with that?
Dad, you know what? I want to go get more peas.
More peas? All right, let's walk back and we'll get some peas. Tell me how it tastes.
It tastes super big, right?
Yeah.
Take that one.
That's good. They use the strawberries from here. Which one is better? Yeah, strawberry. All right. Look at all of them hanging out in the shade. Chicky, you okay?
Thank you for watching. Keep watching our videos and have fun. and get the dog tags. And I've been 5. Stay tuned. Goodbye.